You can store your guns in here. Not these ones, these ones. I'm Joe from rhrswag.com. Today we're going to install a Duha under a seat storage. Let's get to it. First step is you're going to want to mount these brackets to the bolts in the back of the cab. Again, it might vary from make and model, but we'll go ahead and put that on there. Final step, once you have your straps bolted into place, there's a slot in the storage bin where you slide them through. Put your washer on there, snap clip, and you're good to go. You can store your guns in here. Not these ones, these ones.